Hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So in this video I'm going to discuss the latest news about education, that is the uproar going on about the entrance exams of engineering and medical. So as you all know that NTA, the National Testing Agency, has started preparing for the smooth conduct of these examinations, but still a lot of uproar is going on by all the politicians and the people, political leaders and all the scholars and all the influential people of the country over this issue. Means all the people are requesting the government not to conduct these examinations, keeping in mind the safety and security of the students who will be going for these exams. So they all have requested Modi government that it will be a big threat to the health of the students if these exams are conducted right now. So they are requesting that these exams should be further postponed as they were postponed earlier also. So keeping in view this thing, just now Subramaniam Swamy has tweeted that if Modi government will conduct these exams at this time, minded that Subramaniam Swamy is a BJP leader himself, and still he has threatened the government that if they would conduct the exams at this time in COVID situation, it would be similar to the Nasbandi program conducted by Indira Gandhi government in 1976, and that became a major cause of the debacle of Indira Gandhi government. So this tweet should be taken very seriously. Apart from Subramaniam Swamy, so many other political leaders have also shown their concern over this conduct of exams of this medical and engineering, like Adhir Ranjan, Kapil Sibal, Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi. Everybody, they have tweeted about the not conduct. I mean, they all have said that these exams should not be conducted. Even Manish Sisodia, the Deputy Chief Minister of Delhi, has also shown his concern. But at this point we need to know what NTA has said regarding this issue. NTA has released the list of the examination centers for all the students. Moreover, they have said that they are fully prepared for the smooth conduct of these examinations. They have made certain very good arrangements for that. They have planned that fresh gloves and masks will be provided to all the candidates, social distance will be maintained, and even for the smooth entrance and exit of the students also proper arrangements have been done by them. So they are getting ready to conduct the examinations, but still people are opposing this idea. So let's see what step is taken by the government, because the government is saying that if they will postpone these exams any further, it will be a big loss for all the aspirants who have been preparing for these exams for 1 year. Means their 1 year will be wasted. So we have to just wait and watch what happens next. But I want to wish luck to all the students who have been preparing for these exams. May your hard work pay off and you get through the exams. So thank you all of you. Share this video with others also, because this is a big latest happening, and do subscribe to the channel if you are new to it for latest educational updates and for improving your English. Thank you.